You ready, Bill?
I'm really rich.
So the Volvo went diesel. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door.
Like taco night, we leave them shells sitting inside your stomach. Story the same, you know the usual. We die for nothing. I dressed up for too many funerals. I'm tired of coming.
Turn, no turning. Nicey turning. This one no turn. Can get it to turn, but it's fucking lots of effort. Nice and smooth.
He spent 100,000 on mileage. Bruce Lee, kick it with me. I be styling. Two-seater Bentley, and it's topless. And she's topless. He get bitch drama.
Welcome to Bad Moose Production. We're going to be doing a compression test on this beast. A friend of mine liked to call this thing the Wolfman 5000. Anyway, this heart came from a car that was in a gnarly car accident. So we're working on resurrecting it into a new car. Let's do a compression test. We got a little oil. We'll let some cylinders down. We'll do one of these and time lapse through the rest of it. couple ugga-duggas with the turning. And let's do this damn thing. 210 almost. Not sure if y'all can see that. Oh, actually a little less than that. Over 200. All right, next cylinder. All right, next cylinder. Probably about 200, just a hair under 210. On periscope. Final cylinder. Yes, final cylinder. This is a fucking 5-cylinder engine. For you, those of you in the world, yes, there are 5-cylinder engines in the world. And 3s. Rotaries without pistons, all sorts of cool shit. Ready? Ready, and send it. Well, I guess we'll have to come back. Last year, normally this thing is an open diff. We did an LSD conversion. Get this thing put back in, bolted back up. So, better opportunity to show a few people that have never seen the inside of an engine or a transmission some of the things that are inside a transmission. But as far as I'm being led to believe, this thing's got just under 6,500,000 miles, or 65,000, blah 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 blah, 6,500 miles. So that's awesome. Thing looks damn near new. Gentleman I got the transmission from actually built the motor, so kind of cool. Come out here.